Hello, my fans. Make I show you how I want to analyze this particular problem. They say a billion electrons pass through a cross section of a conductor in 10 to the power of -3 seconds. Calculate the current. Now, you don't say waiting they say make you find that current. Bring that one out. Parameters, they very important. Current equal to question mark. Now, what they find? Now, they say a billion electrons. That one a very big information. So, number of electron n. Number of electrons. Number of electron will be n. We use n to represent number of electrons. They say now 1 billion. So if they say that 1 billion means 1,000,000,900. This is 9 be 1 billion. Imagine this kind of thing there for my account. My life don't change now. They say if this kind of thing in my bank, 1 billion. So how I want to get this particular number with plenty like this? Because it's too long now for standard form. What I will do, I will say, okay, how many zeros there? 1, 2, 3. That's 3, 6, 9, 9 0. So now the same thing as saying n equal to 10 to the power of 9. Yes, meaning that the 0 and 9 zeros were there. So this one is standard form. We don't finish with that one. A billion electrons pass through a cross section of a conductor in 10 seconds. They don't tell you, say, the time for this particular wahala. Time at 10 to the power of -3 seconds. Once you calculate the current, see I'm here. Now, what you will do, ask yourself, what will be the relationship between these things? Relationship, then you don't know. But to keep it simple, remember, say, for under electrolysis, you know, say Q, quantity of charge equal to current times time. You don't see this formula before, Abby. At least you don't see it. But I want to make I dissolve the formula. I will divide both side by T. I divide both side by T. T and T will cancel. I will be equal to quantity of charge all over time. You see, don't give us quantity of charge here, but we know that this Q itself, Q, note say Q itself is equal to number of electrons. You understand? From that formula it did. So here now, in place of this Q, I'll put NA over this particular time. So I don't get my I now to be equal to NE over T. Now all these parameters, then they are N na 10 to the power of 9 times E. They tell you about charge of electron, and E will be charge of electron. You get the value of 1.6 times 10 to the power of -19. That means the charge. Write that down for your book. Charge of electron. Write that down for your book. Make you don't forget. So you will multiply the number of electrons times the charge. It will be 1.6 times 10 to the power of -19. All over time. The time everything 10 to the power of -3 seconds. So it's simple. Now from there, I will use, I don't even need calculator. Use indices, work on this one. On the numerator, the base is the same, 10, 10. According to product law of indices, take the common base and add the power. So here I will come get 1.6, maybe this one, times the base is the same. I will take one of the base, then I will add the power. 9 plus -19 over this particular one, 10 to the power of -3. So now the current now will be equal to plus times minus will give us minus. So 9 minus 19 will give us -10. So I get 1.6 times 10 to the power of -10 over 10 to the power of -3. So yeah, I will apply division law or quotient law of indices. We say if the base is the same, you subtract the power. So I can get 1.6 times 10 to the power of, I take one of the common base, -10, because of the division sign, minus -3. Should you understand the point now? So negative times negative will give us positive. So it will be -10 plus 3 will give us -7, Abi. So the answer can be 1.6 times 10 to the power of -7. It will be the unit of current. Happy, good, happy. That will be the final answer. I hope you found this particular video helpful. Now, if you like this particular video, you know they do it for yourself, you know go help you. Not only me go help. And you need to support me, like him, so that the video will come go viral, make other people for see him. So now the support I will do for me. If you like and finish, if you still help me, share them. If you never subscribe, and don't come up. Thank you.